Hello students, now let's continue and observe the pictures given on page number 9. Here you can see 9 pictures are given. You have to observe them and describe it. Okay. For the first picture, you can see the man is cutting the tree. In the second one, you can see the smoke coming out from the car and boy is getting irritated from that. In third picture, the boy is bursting firecrackers. In the fourth picture, the girl listening music by headphones. In the next picture, fifth picture, the man is bathing the domestic animal in the pond. Okay, in the sixth picture, what can you see? The sixth picture, the boy playing music at high volume. Okay, and next, seventh number picture, the boy throwing garbage in the dustbin. This is good habit. Next, in 8 number picture, it is throwing garbage on road. You can see garbage on a road. Now, the last picture, ninth number picture, water filled near the hand pump. So, these are the description of a picture. Now, turn the page on page number 10. Here, some questions are given. So, write down them in workbook. Which aspects in the picture given above are beneficial for the environment? Good and beneficial pictures you can see in the pictures and you have to describe them. Kaya picture beneficial for the environment. So you have to describe these pictures. So which are the good pictures? There are, find out. Okay, you can see here there are 2 good pictures in all these 9 pictures. First one, the girl, and second one, which use me about the dustbin. Now let's describe this picture. It is good habit. So in the above pictures, the girl listening music by headphones is good for environment. She is not playing music loudly music play કર્યું નથી. She is hearing music by headphone થી સાંભળી રહી છે. So it is good habit. Now the next good habit for environment is this picture. Okay, so in this picture let's describe it. The boy throwing garbage in the dustbin. So using dustbin is good for environment. So these both are good for environment. Okay, now see the next question. Which aspects in the picture given above are harmful for the environment? Environment માટે harmful કયા છે? So except these 2 pictures, all are harmful for environment. All are harmful for environment except this 2 picture. આ 2 picture સિવાય બીજા બધા કેવા છે? They are harmful for environment. Now we have to describe them one by one which are harmful for environment. So let's see. In the first picture, the man is cutting the tree. It is harmful for environment. Secondly, the smoke coming out from the car, it is also harmful for environment. Third, the boy is bursting firecracker is also harmful. Then the man is bathing the domestic animal in the pond is also harmful for environment. And then the boy playing music at high volume is also harmful for environment. Then throwing garbage on the road is also harmful for environment. And the last one, water filled near the hand pump is also harmful for environment. So you have to write down all this harmful activity for environment in second question. Okay, here is the answer of the second question. Now let's see ahead. What do you do out of this activity? Why and not? And note down them. So here, what do you do? What do you not to do and why? So here first, I throw garbage in the dustbin. Then what you do not do? તમે શું નથી કરતા? I do not throw garbage in the open. And why? By throwing garbage into the open, I spread wilt. Okay, so these are the reason. Now second activity, what do you do? તમે શું કરો છો? I grow trees. Then what you do not do? તમે શું નથી કરતા? I do not cut trees. And why? Because by cutting trees, I damage the environment. So this is the activity you have to do in both your workbook and textbook also. So see what other duties should be obeyed to preserve environment. So in the textbook not enough space is given, so I have write this answer in workbook. You have to write this answer in workbook. Now other duties to save environment. Okay, let's see આપણે એન્વાયરમેન્ટને સેવ કરવા માટે આપણી કઈ ડ્યુટીઝ છે. So let's see first, never spit here and there, never throw dirty water in open, never defecate in the open, never burst firecrackers having a lot of smoke and noise, never cut trees, never play music at high volume. So to preserve environment, we should do all these things. Okay students, now let's see. These are the answers from your workbook. Here, why would Chintu dislike going to school? And why is Chintu irregular in going to school? Both are the same answer. You can write the same answer here. Okay, now second question you have to skip, and all the answers you have to copy in your workbook. Okay, what do you mean by public property? Okay, what do you mean by public property? The facilities which are not owned by any individual but are used by everyone is called public property. For example, garden, government hospitals, public library, etc. You can add here more examples. So these are our public property. Okay, make a list of good habit and bad habit. Okay, here are the list of good habit and bad habit. You have to write down in your workbook. Now list 5 habits that shows that you conserve environment in your school. So here you have to write down the habit which shows that you preserve the environment of your school. સ્કૂલનું environment તમે સેવ કરો છો, બચાવો છો, સારું રાખો છો. એના માટે તમે શું કરતા છો? So you have to write down this. I will plant trees. I will throw garbage in dustbin only. I will use the toilet to defecate, and I will protect the school property. So these are the things you have to do during the school. Okay, so this is all about our lesson. Till then, take care students. Stay home, stay safe.